Hi everyone, she is my student.
Hello.
Do you know the importance of idioms in IELTS speaking? If you do not know, idioms plays a very important role in IELTS speaking test in order to sound more natural. So in this video, we will be giving a demonstration of how to use idioms in a natural way. So let's begin. If you could remember, when was the last time you felt very happy?
Well, I was over the moon when I saw my parents having their meal in the restaurant.
And what makes you sad?
Well, in that case, it makes me feel gloomy when I see my parents worried.
And are you excited to give your IELTS examination?
Oh, in that case, I could hardly wait for that situation.
Are you thankful for your parents?
I am eternally grateful that they have raised me to this level.
And what do you do to relax?
Well, I chill out with my friends and watch movies.
Do you feel nervous when you meet someone special?
Well, yes, I feel butterflies in my stomach whenever I even think about that person.
What makes you angry?
It gets into my nerve whenever I listen about the corruption and bad things happening.
What do you do when you feel bored?
Well, whenever I get fed up, I normally listen to the music and watch movies.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.